Hey guys! Do you want to know about top 5 proven ways to make money through Shopify? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about top 5 proven ways to make money through Shopify. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Before we get started, please make sure you watch the video until the end, so you can find top 5 proven ways to make money through Shopify. And also subscribe with the notification bell turned on so you can get notified anytime we upload a new video. Shopify is one of the largest e-commerce platforms that has blown up in popularity with over 1 million stores. Given that more and more consumers are shifting towards online shopping, store owners are open to a massive revenue opportunity. Sellers who find effective methods of making money online and marketing their service or products build their reputation gradually and skyrocket their sales. But wait a second. Is it that easy to make money through Shopify? Yes, if you know how to. One of the most amazing things about Shopify is how easy it is to use for both retailers and customers. And the best part is it is effortless to get started as a seller. Whether you own a small business or looking to start a new venture to make money with Shopify, there are several proven ways that many other sellers already use. We'll go through how to make money on Shopify and provide tips for your business to grow fast. Number 5. Develop a niche product and market it well. Most people ask, can you make money on Shopify? As a separate question, but let me tell you, it's not just about the platform you sell your products on. Of course, it comes with advantages, but you need to know your niche and how to market your product nevertheless. You can develop a unique niche product that targets a specific audience. This will ensure that you know who your customers are and how to address them. A specific target audience is easier to create marketing rather than a broad and diverse group. Number 4. Start your own clothing line or accessory brand. Making money with Shopify is easier these days thanks to apps like Printful and Printify. The process of designing, manufacturing, and shipping printed clothes is more streamlined and simpler than ever. You can transform your creative designs into something profitable by starting your own clothing line. Apps like Printful ask you to connect your Shopify store to the app, select the goods you want to apply your design, and then upload your design. They print out products on demand. So, whenever customers purchase a product, they take their fee from the payment and start producing the product. You won't have to deal with shipping either as they print and ship the product themselves. Pretty profitable, isn't it? Additionally, setting up an accessory brand is also a common way to make money on Shopify. Whether you craft them yourself, dropship, or have them made, you can build a strong brand, especially with the help of successful marketing. Number 3. Become a Shopify affiliate marketer. Making money on Shopify doesn't always mean that you need to sell anything in some cases. You can join the Shopify affiliate program and become an affiliate. This program involves content creators, educators, influencers, and individuals who want to inspire audiences and make them start their entrepreneurship with Shopify. To join the program, partners need to refer their audiences to Shopify. Like regular affiliate marketing, this one also works with commissions. You receive commissions when your audience registers a paid Shopify business plan. Number 2. Build a Shopify dropshipping business. Dropshipping is quite popular these days. E-commerce and many Shopify merchants make a lot of money through it. The best part of it is that there won't be any pressure on your inventory. Dropshipping is a business model that allows business owners to outsource the products to sell them on your website. All you need to do is find suppliers whose products are similar or the same as your niche. Then, upload your new SKU, stock keeping unit, and wait for customers to buy. Dropshipping business can be summed up in the following steps. Step 1. Customers place an order from your store. Step 2. Your Shopify store sends the order information automatically to your dropshipping supplier. Step 3. Your dropshipping supplier handles the order, including the packaging, labeling, if necessary. Step 4. Your dropshipping supplier delivers the order directly to the customer. How Shopify helps your dropshipping business. Seamless integration options with the world's leading dropshipping suppliers such as Oberlo, Spocket, and DSR. Shopify dropshipping apps to help you with orders and shipping management, as well as advertising. Integration opportunity with other sales channels such as Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook ads to easily manage your marketing and advertising. Number 1. Start an e-commerce store. If you are wondering how to make money on Shopify, starting an e-commerce store can be your answer. The platform makes it easy for everyone to set up an online store without hassle. You have many different options about what to sell, such as handmade goods, something you resell, or a service you provide. Shopify is ideal for e-commerce than most similar platforms because it's simple to add items, curate them, and let your customers easily check out. Moreover, you can create a blog for your Shopify store to bring more organic traffic to your site. Here's a helpful Shopify SEO guide to give your store a head start with the basic SEO. In addition to a blog, you can make use of Shopify apps to increase your sales. There are a lot of apps and reviews in the App Store. For example, you can find the best upsell app for your Shopify store and drive more revenue by upselling products at checkout. Make sure you stay watching our next related video to discover more amazing videos. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comments box below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.